So here's my crib. My trim and roller trim that I added. And the bee standing out with the little picture frame around it. Got her comforter and bumper. A couple of stuffed animals there. A little mobile hooked up. Put that on there. So then I added lights to it. And I can change the colors. I can make it, hi Max, I can make it white. There's a bright pink. Here's some that I made myself. Just bright pink. Beat it. And I can do some crazy stuff like that. I can make it fade from one to the next. I can make it do this. I can make it do this. Make it go fast. But we're gonna leave it on probably this one. And it really lights up the whole room. But while you're in here, you know, it's not super bright. You can see here the LED strips that are undermounted under the crib. You can get a good shot of them there. Underlights the whole crib. And I can make my own colors. So if I wanted to do it yourself, it starts out as light white, and then I can add green or add red, and I can like take out green and make it really bright, and I can add blue and make it that color pink. I can add a lot of blue and add a lot of red and make it really crazy. I can add the green and brings it kind of back to white. So I can make any color I want, including blood red. It's kind of like yellow. Still looks really pretty. This is cool. The solid blue. There's blue. So I can make it do whatever I want. So there's the crib.